Hi guys, this is 2003 Nissan X-Trail. So I'm going to do today, going to change for the coolant. So we can get the Nissan genuine coolant in here. So it's a green color one. So you can see, open the radiator. Make sure it's not hot. The radiator, do not open this radiator cap. This engine is cold. So when the cold time, you can open this radiator cap. No any pressure inside. So you can see in the water in there. So this is the cap, and here the reservoir tank. This one also inside water. You can see. So we have to drain first the radiator coolant. Put the drainer on the underneath first. You can see. So you can see in here the butterfly, the yellow thingy. You can open that one. So after that, you off the reservoir tank. You can hear off. Okay, you can see in here this is a 10mm bolt, or we have to off that one. Okay, here clean inside. Okay, after that we tied the butterfly, the full tight. Okay. Because I drain out coolant. So after that we're going to fill the coolant. So after that, second bottle. Okay, at the half I put to the reservoir bottle. I put the 1.5 liter in the to the radiator. Now I added the water for the 50%. Okay, we add the water. Oh, now getting full. Pull back the radiator cap. Okay, there is a tank getting the max mark. Close that lid. So this one no any bleeding nipple for this top thermostat housing. There is no any bleeding nipple, so we have to start the car and put the heaters on, and we have to wait for until the fan getting on. If you fan getting on, system is complete. Okay guys, we're going to start the car. Okay, car is running. You can see the temperature. This should be going in half, so a little bit accelerate, and I put the heater side and the AC off. You can feel it blowing the hot air. Okay, car is running fine. We have to wait for until this both fan is getting run. Okay guys, the coolant temperature is getting nearly halfway. So I check my scan tool. It's getting 67 still. Getting accelerated. Okay guys, we're getting 79. Fan getting still not on. If fan getting on, the temperature getting down. 79. The coolant temperature getting down. Fan getting stopped. Temperature is again 91. So that means this system is complete. No any the air in the system radiators. So all good. So don't open this radiator cap after that, because very hot this one. You get a lot of pressure inside. So this is how we change the coolant in Nissan X-Trail. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.